Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. So today we are solving the PC box, which is a Linux based box, and let's start this box and we'll see where we can reach. And if you guys haven't watched my previous video, like I just visited Goa for the nullcon 23. If you guys are interested, you can watch. It's just the first part, the first day when I reached there, and other part will be there soon. It takes time to edit, and please subscribe guys, so I can at least get motivated to create new videos and get some support. That would be lovely. Okay, so let's start the VPN. It should be starting by any minute or second. There we go. So our VPN is running, box is running. Let's start with the nmap scan. Sudo nmap. I guess this is the IP address. Yes, this is IP address. So why we are using this command? First of all, as you can see, we are using the regular flags for this -a, which includes some stuff like OS script some at some place, and versions also, as for the CSRF scripts, and -v for the verbos, -p for the ports, whatever the last range the port exists. I think it's 35,000 something, so it will scan all these ports till the 35,000, and I think that's 35,000 plus, and the IP and the minimum rate in which our ping will hit, or the acknowledgement will hit to the server, so we can get result faster. So let's start with that and we'll see the result, and I'll fast forward this step. So there we go, we got the result of our nmap scan. As you can see, there is a port 200 open, and I believe this is not the full scan and the full result, I guess. Let's clear this and run it once again. Again, we didn't got the correct result. Let's try removing the minimum rate, and it will take time, but like I always do, I'll fast forward the video. Finally guys, after a whole 1 hour, we finally got the result. Okay, so let me show you what we have got in the results. I think the minimum rate was the problem here. First we got our uh, 22 port, and there's port number 551. I'm, I'm not sure what this port do, but we can check it together. Okay, so let's check it on Google as it's showing unknown. Let's copy this and go here, full screen, port this, use for. I guess it's already showing that okay, gRPC, it's getting used for the gRPC. So let's check what is this gRPC. We have never tried this. And seems like some sort of API server as per this, which P2P mode server can provide. We'll see here what is this actually about. Not sure why my internet is so slow, but we'll bear. Okay, so here it is. gRPC is a modern open source high performance remote procedure call framework that can run in any environment. Oh yeah, like I said, it is a framework for it can efficiently connect service in and across data center with the pluggable support of load balancer, tracing, health check, and authentication. This is also applicable in last mile of a distributed computer to connect devices, mobile application. This that. Got it. So what we are using it for? High performance open source API or PC. But let's check more about it. Documentation. This. Let's check it over here. I'm not sure why my internet is so slow, but we'll bear. Either way, I'll put it on fast forward. I guess it is a API request server kind of server. WebSocket API is. Oh, why is not working? Yet we don't know what we are going to do or how we're going to access it. So let's check the exploit for this as we only know that it's a gRPC. Let's open this gRPC vulnerability. LinkedIn will do. We'll check this too. Okay, so let's check this first. gRPC Security Series Part 3. Use of plain text communication. Unwanted service exposure. Vulnerable dependency. SQL injection, insecure. This is SQL injection. Okay, so let's try this. As a part of our regular team up skill, we conducted CTF internally. Well, this is also CTF, so okay. A tool requirement for this: Go language installed, gRPC, UI, gRCP, CLI, Burp Suite. Oh, see, I guess this is the reference they took to create the box. They didn't even change the port number. Okay, so let's try this blog, I guess. And they have even listed the steps over here. Okay, so I guess we have to connect with the service first on our local machine so we can access it, or we have to transfer the data to our local server, I guess. Okay, so first we need gRPC CLI. Let's close all these, as we have already found that they are using this blog as a reference. Okay, so gRPC, GitHub, this one too, this one, I'm not sure. Let's check this. gRPC, there are many things over here. gRPC UI, I guess we'll be using this. So let's use this and clear this and paste it over here. It seems it's downloaded. Let's clear this. Try the path cd/go/bin. Clear ls. Yeah, we got the gRPC UI. Next step we will be doing is connecting to that. So we'll close all this. We already got this, so we can close this too. So we just have to put, I guess, this much or the list too. I'm not sure. Let's put the whole stuff, paste it there, and /. It's not UL but UI. Enter it. Okay, the program required exactly one argument: host and port number. Let's remove this. Fail to dial target. Okay. Well, that's odd. Are we doing something wrong? And I guess yes, we are doing something wrong. We didn't change the IP. That guy must be using it on his own local host or server somewhere, but we didn't change the IP. Let's try this. I guess it should work now. And boom, it's working, guys. Okay, so this has some functionalities like the service name, simple app, method name, login, register user, get info. So let's register the user. Why bother thinking about anything else? user password. Let's just put a and invoke the request. Okay, user password must be greater than 4. Let's check it over here what he did next. Okay, so he's using it over here. Got it. We started directly from here. We skipped these steps. I guess we don't need it, or maybe, but we can try this directly because this tool was directly to access this. Okay, so what it's saying, the command will initiate a UI portal. Yeah, I did. Then from here, click on upgrade blog and capture the request. In the author ID section of the capture request, insert a SQL injection payload as below. Oh, we can't zoom in. Or do I have to zoom in from here? Let's see. Okay, so we have to block the request. For that, we are going to use the verb suite. You can observe the temporary flag value is being returned in the response. Let's check what we can intercept over here. We'll go to proxy over here. Let's register the user first. A, B, C, D, B, C, D. Okay, so we'll invoke the request. And we'll use the proxy on. The account has been created, so let's log in the user. Mark this A, B, C, D, not double A. Copy this, paste it here, invoke the request. Alright, seems like we got some stuff. Simple user login, but it also has provided us with the token and the user ID. Okay, what else do we have? Okay, get info. Let's try this. I guess over here we have to put something over here because it's only asking for the ID. Okay, so if we give it our ID like 66, what will it do? Authorization error, missing token header. Okay, we have to provide the token also. So if we, I guess in the name we have to put token, and this must be the value we have to add. Okay, again copy this, paste it here, and we'll invoke the request. Will we get anything? Okay, we got a unexpected error, I guess. Non-type object is not subscribable, and why is that? We have put it the correct token, I guess. And this is odd. Are we using wrong information or what? Let's send it to repeater. and we can try and intercept this request, and we'll send this request to repeater. Now we got ourselves 2 requests. Okay, so let's initiate again and see login successful. Is error false? We are logged in, but we didn't get our user ID. This isn't needed. Let's just ABC, invoke the request. Yeah, we are logged in successfully, but I guess we need some other stuff too. We need a token, but it's not providing that. So should we try something else again, like registering a new user, or we didn't try the common credential like admin or something? Okay, so there's one user exists with the admin, and that's odd. Let's send it to the repeater. Where did the request go? There it is. If I send it again, what will I get? Lovely. So let's try to fetch the information of this user ID over here, I believe. Not over here. On second request, change the ID, and with this we'll change the token, I believe. Let's change the value and send it. Okay, lovely. So I believe this was the response we were waiting for. Okay, so if I put it as per the blog, if we put anything after the ID, but over here it's author ID, I guess. So it should work the same for us. If I put something over here in the ID, it should throw an error. And it did. The message unexpected this, type error this, bad argument, built-in operation. Got it. But the request is successful. Okay, so what we can do, let's try SQL map, or should we try it manually? Let's do the fastest way. We'll try the SQL map. Let's copy this request, and wait, let's remove this and copy this request. We'll split the terminal and we'll create a new file, nano req.sql. We'll paste it here. I believe that's the correct way. Yeah, we know the parameter which is infected, that's ID. Let's save this and we'll do SQL map. There we go. We're not going to dump anything. We just have to provide it the request. What was the name of file? Okay, there you go. Request SQL. And if we use this, I believe we'll get the vulnerability, I believe. So let's check. Yes, we're gonna proceed. Okay, that was fast. Resuming back, SQLite database, testing connection, got it. Parameter this, JSON, and there's a time-based blind SQL injection. So let's try dump the data. Yes. Lovely. Okay. So I guess we got the password and the username. Using this, we might be able to access the SSH server. Not server, but the SSH profile. Okay, so let's let's split, don't split. We'll open new terminal. Sudo SSH SAU. This is going to be the IP and the user. Let's I don't think we need the burp suite anymore. Let's close this. Yes. Go over here. Let's close this too. And I believe we can exit from here too, because we already got the access. And we can also close this blog. What we needed we already got, I guess. This is the username and password. Let's copy this password and put it here before the session get expired. We should be getting the access. And let's terminate this too and clear this. Collapse. Go over here and we are in. Now we are using the SAO at PC. Let's check ls. And there we go. We got our user.txt. So this is our first flag. Next, I'm not sure if we should be using the lin page. Let's try what lin page can give us. // This must have some objective, and that's why it's here. Let's try that. Okay, my system is taking unusual time. I've already pressed the tab, but now it's executed. Let's enter it. Let's give it some time and we'll check it. Okay, so the scan is complete. Let's check it from the start. What we can get. Red, you should take a look to it. Got it. User with console. Okay, so sudo version is this. Let's check if this has some sort of vulnerability in it. Root exploit. There's a C-base exploit for this. Flow message, telephone measurements. I don't think this is going to be the objective. Oh, we also didn't check the first thing we always check, like sudo -l. what sort of permission it has, and as we already have the password, let's paste it and see. Sorry, try again. Got it. Copy and paste. Enter. Okay, so user may not run sudo on localhost. Roger that. There is a SQLite database. I think this is a database we fetched our data from. Leaked credential, common credential, get credentials. Okay. Backup.py. Now we already know about this file. There isn't anything interesting. Config. File with interesting permissions. Bin. G password. What else do we have? I think we should try and check the services. What sort of service it's running. Then we'll look into the stuff. Root. There is LDAP. Okay, active ports. There are some active ports. Nice. Okay, so first one is running the 8000 something running on 8000 port. What that could be. Let's try the curl. I hope this has a curl. I've already initiated the clear command, but I'm not sure what it's waiting for. Okay, there we are. I typed it again, waiting for the response. Yari. Okay, it's clear. Yep, we can remove this and curl. For the URL, it was 127.0.0.1. No, 1. And port was 8000. Okay, so it should be redirecting somewhere. To follow the redirection, I guess it was -r or -x. CURL -h pipe grep REDI RE. Let's just check for this. And it was -L. Enter. Okay, that's a lot of information. Let's check what it's running. Is there any information that we can use? Navbar, dashboard, queue, package, filter, navbar, div, banner, There must be some information. There it is. Login. Payload. What is this? Okay, so it's some sort of download manager written in Python. If it's Python based, then it must have something like version or something. Let's clear this. So if we paste it here, -v. Oh, come on, not found. Got it. And if I just type this, come on, not found again. And if I -v here, -in, version, come on, not found. I'm typing the name wrong, I guess. Maybe because of L. Let's put it small. Enter. Yep. Now it's working. Okay, so we have to put double hyphen. And clear this. And paste this. There we go. We have a payload 0.2.0. Let's check if this has an exploit. Okay, I think my Firefox is getting smart these days, or maybe it has an ML now. Oh wow, we got a remote code execution. Pre-auth remote code execution. This, let's just copy paste it. So if I put it here, let's create new file in the temp cd/temp. Okay, sorry. Clear. Nano, I believe it has nano. And payload .py. Enter. Paste it here. Control X. Save it. Enter. ls. And if we do this like /pay, no, pay, payload, autocomplete. Is there any other file with this name? Okay, I guess we have to use like python. It's in Python 3, I guess. Python 3 payload -h. Okay, we are getting error. Do we need to provide some permission or what? And command Python not found. Did you mean Python 3? Okay, I think that's a pretty lengthy way. We can try doing the port forward using SSH. Then we can run this script on our machine and get the access. I think that would be the fastest way that we can try. Let's clear this. Exit from here. And what was the port again? It was a 8000 port. And if we do SSH 8000, there localhost there 8000 and SAU at the rate. This was the IP. Paste it here. Okay. Could not resolve the host name. Okay, got it. Let's put this 127.0.0.1. Okay, this is odd. Or do we have to put -L? I've totally forgot. To do the port forward, we have to put -L. Now it should ask for the password. Let's copy this. Go over here. Provide the password. Enter in the machine. Split the terminal. Now I believe we should be running something on 27. Clear this. Port 8000. Yep, we are running payload over here. Let's copy this and paste it in the CVE-CTF and payload.py nano. Paste it here. X, Y, enter. Clear. I guess we can now try python and it was payload -h. Lovely. So we got the script. Or do we have to put the full -HLP help target URL command to execute? Okay, this is hard. So if we do this for edge, the host is going to be not this one. We reopen the page. This is going to be the one. Paste it here. And for the command, we would like to initiate netget. Or let's copy the reverse shell from here. This now we just want the request to trigger, right? So we can just, where it go? Put it like this in double quote, I guess. So it won't, damn it. So it won't break the command like this. And we have to start our listener, netget. There we go. And enter. Okay, show this help message or exit. I believe okay, no such file or directory. Now let's try directly the netget one, because it was showing that it has a netget. I believe my IP is correct. No, IP is 8. So this should do, I guess. Paste it here, enter. I guess I have to cover this. If I just put %20 over here, %20, %20, %20, and remove this, enter. This script is not working. Let's try some another script which can help. There's one too. Pre-auth. Let's check it only for the GitHub. Okay, there we go. We have another one. Jacob, Eben, I believe both are same. Credit. No, this one is different. Okay, let's try this uncle's script. We just copy this, clear this stuff. Nano, we'll go to payload. We'll go down all the way and do this. I don't know how to clear it faster than this. If anybody knows the shortcut, please tell me. It's almost finished. Paste, X, Y, enter. And if we run this, okay, now we got some more options over here in command, bash command to execute for the single file. I don't think we need to put the command over here. We can just directly put the IP. IP would be 10.10.16.8 and -p. The port is going to be 9001 and enter. No, what, I'm doing something wrong over here, I guess. And what that would be, okay, over target I'm putting -h rather than -t. Let's enter. A reverse shell, check your listener. I should be getting the reverse shell, I believe. Or it's because of the redirection, I believe. Let's remove this much and enter again. And lovely, guys. We got our reverse shell. ls cd/root l. No. Yep, we got our root.txt. If you guys like the video, don't forget to subscribe, like the video, and share it if you find it interesting. Okay, yeah, I forgot to explain the code. Let me explain you the code that I just ran. What this code is actually doing. Let's read it from the start so we can understand it properly. So over here, it's calling for the, I think, modules that which are required for the script. Then it's over here, it's taking all the arguments. Like here you can see URL of the variable. It has taken it over here, and the command, the option it was showing below. and over here it ran the exploit with argument target and the proxy, which I believe is a reverse shell one, where it gave us access. And these are the status, I guess, for which it was showing the reverse shell is running, and the argument if it's a successful, or if anything else, like this is a blind RCE. So this is there are different types of RC, I guess. Over here it's setting the proxy. Over here it's giving it the URL which we are using, the self-paced URL which we just pasted, and the vulnerable, I think, path, the flash slash encrypted to. And over here the payload it ran for us to access the reverse shell. And that's it, guys. Thanks for watching the video. If you like, again, subscribe, help me reach 1,000 subscriber fast, and like the video again, and thanks for watching. Bye.